I'm feeling great. Are you, Miss Mata?
Yes, it's my favorite assembly.
Why?
Well, it's the end of the month, and so you know what that means.
Student of the month, student of the month. Woo, woo, because we have a positive
Attitude.
attitude. You're right. Well, let's start with our flag salute. I'm going to turn it over to Miss Mata.
I'm the official Pledge of Allegiance leader.
You are, because you do such a fabulous job.
And I have to say, you hold the flag very respectfully.
Thank you.
All right, everybody, put your right hand over your heart. Ready, begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Thank you.
All right, great job. And you do such a great job with that. And boys and girls, you do as well. And I know many of our dual classes, you're also saying it in Spanish, and I've seen that pop up for your, so to help you out. So continue to do that, please, please, please. So we're gonna get started. Woo! Student of the month, student of the month. Do you have anything you want to say before we get started, Miss Mata?
Just excited that we celebrate. We've been talking about having a positive attitude all month long. And so today we finally get to honor those special students who are being recognized for their classrooms from TK all the way to our 8th grade students. So we are so excited to celebrate you. Yes.
Yeah.
Woohoo.
You. Miss Mata made something special, and I'm going to tell it to Miss Mata. You go, girl. Woo-hoo. Is it mirrored? Is it like back? But it's okay because you guys could see that it says, you go, girl.
Oh, maybe I should have typed it the other way. I should have typed it backwards. I don't know.
Oh, boy. We're going to be popping those up, and we're going to keep them for every week because, like we said, just because this week happens to be positive attitude does not mean you don't continue having a positive attitude every single week that we are here. Every day.
Right.
Every day.
That's right.
All right. Well, without further ado, let's get started. We're going to start with Miss Martinez's class. Miss Martinez's class for the month of January, we have Gianna Ramirez Hernandez. Es un estudiante alegre que muestra una actitud positiva y que siempre tiene una sonrisa. Yeah. For Miss Kate, Maestra Kate. Axel Lopez. Axel es una estudiante alegre quien muestra una actitud positiva y quien siempre está lista para colaborar en clase. Yeah. Lucy Hernández. Lucy es una estudiante alegre que muestra una actitud positiva y que siempre tiene una sonrisa. Yeah. And now send it over to Miss Mata for Miss Shears.
Hi, for Miss Shears' class, we are going to honor Lorelei Gravitt. For her positive attitude, she shows daily in her enthusiasm and her great smile. She's always happy to be in school.
Yeah.
So Ethan Sanchez shows his positive attitude when he tries his best. He comes to school with a smile.
Yeah. For Miss Neal's class, we have Adrian Luna. Adrian muestra una actitud positiva. Let me start over. Adrian muestra una actitud positiva participando y dando su opinión en clase. Yeah. Emiliano Montanez. Emiliano es un estudiante feliz que participar en clase proveyendo ejemplos apropiados al tema del que se está hablando. Yeah. Maestra Roque. Annabel Najera. Annabel siempre viene a clase con una sonrisa y una actitud positiva. Yeah. Y Bella Ramirez Hernández. Bella siempre está lista para aprender y hacer su mejor esfuerzo. Yeah. And back over to Miss Mata.
All right, from Miss Chu's class, Carlos Gutierrez. Carlos always shows a positive attitude by putting his best effort in reading. He takes time to sound out his words. Sophia Shimono shows a positive attitude by trying her best and not giving up on completing levels in ST Math.
Great. Okay, for Maestra Luna, Isis González. Ha demostrado que es importante tener una actitud positiva todos los días. La actitud positiva se va a ayudar a avanzar en todas las materias. Isis es una estudiante muy dulce. Christian Donis Orantes ha demostrado tener una actitud positiva. Christian es muy listo y muy atento de sus responsabilidades de clase. La actitud positiva de Christian se ayudará a mantenerse, mantenerse avanzado en clase. Christian es un estudiante maravilloso. Yeah.
All right, from Miss CK's class, Aiden Guzman. Aiden shows a positive attitude by participating in class and trying his best in math.
Yeah.
Orion Nelson shows a positive attitude by working hard on his assignments and completing his classwork on time.
For Maestro Jeffco, Aiden Guzman. Oh, that was Miss CK's class. For Maestro Jeffco, Fabián Villa. Fabián tuvo una actitud muy positiva y terminó todos sus trabajos el segundo trimestre. Y ahora tiene 100% y participar más en clase. Ruby Cardoso. Ruby tuvo una actitud muy positiva y terminó todos sus trabajos en segundo trimestre y ahora tiene 100% y participa más en clase.
Yeah. Good job, guys. All right. From Miss Posner's class, we have Delilah Lopez. Delilah always has a positive attitude in class. She participates in class discussions, is very friendly, and always has a smile. Also, we have Esteban Lopez. Esteban always has a positive attitude in class. He participates in class, asks questions, and always shows enthusiasm towards learning.
For Maestra Torres, Patrick Ramirez. Patrick siempre tiene una actitud positiva en nuestra clase. Felicita a todos y tiene buenos modales. Yeah. Liam Serrano. Liam demuestra entusiasmo por aprender y tiene una actitud positiva. Yeah.
Love it.
Isn't it exciting?
It is. I'm so excited. And we still have more to honor. her. So here we go. Let's keep going.
Miss Martha, don't you just want to be like, you go boy, you go girl?
Yes, yes. Woo.
I kind of like this, Miss Martha.
I do too.
Sorry, we'll keep going. We'll keep going. We're just excited.
Okay, from Miss O'Donnell's class, Jose Marquez Guzman. He always demonstrates a positive attitude when online. He enjoys sharing his thoughts and ideas and is happy to chat with his teacher and classmates.
Yeah.
Diane Colindres Garcia. She demonstrates a positive attitude in our Zoom meetings. She's enthusiastic when she shares her answers and ideas. Diane is always eager to participate. Yes. All right, for Mr. Green's class, Esmeralda Aguirre. She always works hard and has a great attitude.
Yeah.
We are also honoring Victoria Talavera. She has a great attitude and always does her best in class.
Yeah.
All right, for our middle school students, we've got Justice Peoples in 6th grade. Justice always has a positive attitude in class and shows enthusiasm for learning.
Yeah.
Johnny Rodriguez. Johnny attends all Google Meets and has a positive attitude in class.
Yeah. I bet that made you smile, Johnny.
From 7th grade, we have Hazel Villalta. Hazel always has a positive attitude and shows enthusiasm for learning.
Yeah.
Aiden Ramirez. Aiden attends every Google Meet, participates, and has a positive attitude with teachers and peers.
Yeah.
And the grand finale for our 8th grade students, we have Eduardo Sierra. Eduardo always comes to class with a positive and encouraging attitude. And lastly, Ian Padilla. Ian has started this quarter with an amazing positive attitude, and he is determined to achieve the best grades.
I snuck it in there again. Great job.
Well, and you know, I don't know if you noticed this, but when you were reading the names, I was holding up the sign and giving a little whoop whoop.
I didn't see you. So all those names that were red, you go, girl. You go, boy.
You were concentrating so much.
I was so focused.
That's right.
It's all right. It's all right. You guys are awesome. All of you are awesome. We know that so many of you are working hard. So many of you have a positive attitude. And if we could do this and say everybody's name, we would. And as you know, we're kind of limited every month to how many we could choose, but we want that recognition. But all of you who are working hard, don't give up. You go, boy. You go, girl. You got this. All right. Wow. That was great. I don't know. I have like this rejuvenated feeling today. Like, we're going to make it, guys. We're like the little train. You guys probably don't know that book. We talk about a lot of books.
Do they know that story? Maybe.
I think I can. I think I can. I think I can. I got it. I did it. Yay! That's not the exact words, but it's kind of like that. The little train that thought he couldn't, and then he could. You got to keep going, boys and girls. Keep going. So keep it up. For our middle school, 6th, 7th, and 8th grade, guess what? This Friday is the end of mid-quarter, third quarter, right? Third quarter, mid-quarter. That's kind of tricky.
So in the middle of third quarter.
In the middle of third quarter. That was a lot better. In the middle of third quarter. So this is, I've even given personal shout outs for kids. I love how you shared some of those kids in 6th, 7th, and 8th going and working hard. I have seen more kids this last quarter, third quarter, turn it around than I saw in 1st and 2nd. So boys and girls, keep it up. I am so proud of you. Keep going. You have an amazing set of teachers, all of you, from preschool all the way to 8th grade. Make them proud. They are working hard. We always say it, but thank you to all of you. Keep going and going and going and going. Choo, choo. Okay.
I can and I will. I can and I will.
I can and I. Good job, Miss Mata. Okay, boys and girls, it is already that time to do some stretching. Ooh, Miss Mata, that was like great. See? And Miss Mata, I have to do it. I know, you guys, I almost forgot. Could you believe that? I think you might want to just share some news because we can never have an assembly without this. Maybe what next month's student of the month is? Just maybe. Ready?
For
Ready?
sure.
Da, 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 da! Miss Mata!
Okay, everybody. We had such a great focus this month, and we kept the energy up, encouraging all of you to have a positive attitude. Well, let's see. That was the A in our pause. But what do you think our next one is? What letter are you holding up, Miss Romero?
It's
Kinda
supposed to be a W.
That's a W. What does our W represent, everybody? I think I heard it. You are correct. Wise choices. Because it actually makes sense if you think about it. Part of getting things going is having a positive attitude, but then you got to make some wise choices.
Yep.
Keeping up with your homework, taking notes, being organized of when your assignments are to be completed, keeping track of your time that you're spending doing different things associated with your work. So, got to come up with some ways that we can reinforce that idea for the month of February, so that way we can honor some more students at the end of February.
Yeah.
Can't believe we're already 1 month into the year 2021. I really agree with you, Miss Romero. I really think we're like the train. We're going up the hill and we're like, yes, we're picking up speed. And I think we're going to continue. Yes, I think we can. And I think we are.
We got this.
We do.
You go, boy. You go, girl. You got this.
Yes.
No, that's exciting. And, I think maybe this month what we'll do during our assemblies is share with you some strategies like setting your alarm. So many of you, especially in the 6th, 7th, 8th, have phones, and you can set your alarm because we get it. After being in school all day, you're tired, right? You deserve that break. When we go home from work, we don't say, oh, I got to go do my work again. You need that time to take care of yourself, but you got to do it within reason, right? Like be responsible. Like if Miss Mata and I just went home, we have work, but we also have work at home, and we just sat and did nothing.
Nothing would get done.
Big mess. So you just got to do it responsibly, but we'll be sharing some tips. Miss Romero, Miss Mata's tips.
Of how to help you make wise choices.
All right. Can't wait for that. So let's go ahead and reach for the ceiling. Oh. And touch your toes. Touch your toes. Doesn't that feel good? Stretching out your legs. And come back up. And roll your shoulders back. And roll them forward. And arms out for Miss Mata. Really, for me. I think you're getting stronger, Miss Mata.
Can you see my muscles?
I do. I see your muscles. Okay, and walk it out. Okay, and run it out. And last but not least, roll your head, but don't roll it too fast because it might roll off. Okay, I didn't forget. In 1, 2, 3, boom! And again, 1, 2, 3, boom! Okay, Miss Mata,
Yes,
I see you're in your office today,
I am.
so I don't have to run and get your signs.
I have them today. We're going to save
Wow.
you from running into the door because we don't want you to get any bumps on your head.
Nope, nope, nope. No bumps, no bumps. Okay, are you guys ready? In 1, 2, 3. I can and I will
Have a
pride in my
attitude.
in my school. We're a little off. Here we go. I can and I will
Have a positive attitude.
attitude. I can and I will
Make wise choices.
choices. I can and I will act
Safely.
safely. I can and I will. I can and I will. I can and
I will.
Boys and girls, make it a great day. Stay dry because it's been raining yesterday and today. So stay inside, stay safe, and we will see you